In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export sales tax reports to Google Sheets in Xero. By the end, you'll have your sales tax summary available online for easy reporting and collaboration, without needing to download or email files around. Start by signing into your Xero account and make sure you're in the correct organization where you want to run the report. If you work with multiple entities, double-check the company name at the top of the screen before moving on. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to view tax reports, since access can be restricted by role. From the main dashboard, look for the Reporting menu. This is where Xero keeps all your financial and tax reports. Click Reporting to open the reporting library. Next, find and select Sales Tax Report. Depending on your region and setup, you may see it labeled as Sales Tax Summary. This is the report that pulls together taxable sales, tax collected, and other key totals you need for filing and analysis. Before exporting, take a moment to review the sales tax summary on screen. Verify the date range at the top matches the period you want, such as the current filing period or a specific month or quarter. Check whether the report is on a cash or accrual basis to align with how you file. Scan the totals and subtotals to make sure they look reasonable and that the tax rates listed reflect what you actually use. When you're satisfied, click Export. Xero offers multiple output formats, and here you'll choose Google Sheets. If this is your first time connecting Xero to Google, you may be prompted to grant access. Follow any on-screen prompts so the export can proceed. Now wait for the Google Sheets file to generate. The time this takes can vary based on the size of your data and your internet connection. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator while Xero prepares the spreadsheet. Once it's ready, open the exported sales tax report in Google Sheets. It may launch in a new tab, and the file name will usually mirror the report name and period for easy reference. You can keep it in your Google Drive so it's always accessible. Finally, review the spreadsheet data. Confirm column headers, totals, and tax amounts align with what you saw in Xero. Look for tax rates, taxable sales, tax collected, and any adjustments. Ensure numbers are formatted correctly and that the period and basis are clear. From here, you're set to share the sheet, add notes, or use it as the source for dashboards and summaries. That's it. You've exported your Xero sales tax report directly to Google Sheets for streamlined online reporting and collaboration.